In this video, I'll guide you through how you can fix camera isn't working in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. To fix camera isn't working on Windows 11 PC and laptop, at the beginning you need to click on your Windows key and search for settings. Once you come to settings page, then click on privacy and security and scroll down and find camera and click on it. Now you have to make sure this feature is on. Let apps access your camera and make sure all of the toggle is on to run your camera app perfectly. Then check your camera is working or not. If it's not, then close this pop-up and again click on your Windows key and search for Device Manager. Once you open Device Manager, then into Expand Camera. Now right click on it and click on Uninstall Device. Then this pop-up will appear on your screen and click on Uninstall. This will remove your camera app. Now you have to click on Action and choose the second option, Scan for hardware changes. And this will install camera app again. After did these changes, I hope your camera app will work finely. By following this tutorial, you can easily fix camera isn't working on Windows 11.